In this video, I'm going to talk about how to eject water from your iPhone. So if you're having any kind of trouble with your iPhone with the waters, so how we can eject it? We have a various method, but what I'm saying is, for example, you might go to your phone any kind of water or something. If you want to do it first, always try to keep, you have to hold it like this. So it's kind of a 90-degree. So what happens is, even if any kind of water droplets or any kind of thing, this is where it used to get ejected. So most probably if you keep it like this, it's a basic very common thing, and it's a common sense that you have to do like this. So if any kind of waters might be there, it might get completely drained out over here like this. Another one method, this is the basic one. Another one is all about, so you have to use something like this. It should be a soft one over here like this, any kind of towel or anything. And what you need to do is you just have to keep your phone like this, and you have to keep on doing like this. The reason why we are using this is to absorb the water, as well as make sure it's kind of a safe. It's very soft, so you have to do like this, keep on doing like this, so the water might completely get rid of it. And this is what you have to do as the second step. And going to the third step, you need to use any kind of, you can play the music, but what I'm saying is, instead of that, try using app from the App Store. We have tons of app, and I'm going to use one. As you can just go over here in the App Store. Over here you have to search. You can search here for water eject. As you can see, just search here for this. You'll be getting tons of app. What I'm saying, the best one is called water eject over here. This one, it is the best one, so I'm going to download it. And what you need to do is, you just need to go for install over here. Just wait for it, so it will be downloaded. Now you just need to go over here, open it. Now just go to continue. Continue. Go for continue. Just give all the things. You can just do it later. So what you need to do is, it might ask you for the subscription, so you can just go for this one. You can just close it. Now what you need to do is, you just need to go over here. As you can see, this is what you just go over here, and you just need to tap on it. So as you can see, it is going to play some music. And also, if you go over here into dB meter, this is where you can set the sound decibel, and you can just play it and you can do it. So what you need to do is, once you play this, all you have to do is just keep your phone. So what happens, on various frequencies it will be running, and over here at the bottom you can see the waters will be ejected. And this is how we can do it. And this is one of the best apps so far, and that's what I'm saying on how we can do it. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye bye.